Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we show you how to change the zoom in and zoom out settings in Outlook. This is helpful if you want to adjust the text size for better readability and a more comfortable viewing experience. Let's get started. On your Microsoft Outlook, go to the main dashboard. From here, open a message or item so we can adjust the zoom settings. Once it's open, all we need to do is click the zoom option. From here, we can make the text bigger or smaller, depending on what works best for you. If we want to reset back to the default size, we can do that by selecting the Reset option. This lets us control the zoom level easily. We can also see a live preview of how the text will look. To adjust the zoom, simply click the zoom option and then use the plus and minus buttons to increase or decrease the size. And that's how we change the zoom in and zoom out settings in Outlook. With this simple adjustment, we can easily customize our view and make emails much easier to read.